Today we will look at netElastic's Virtual Broadband Network Gateway. What is a BNG? A BNG or Broadband Network Gateway is an access router with built-in subscriber management services. It's the last or customer-facing router in a service provider's network. It aggregates layer 2 traffic from OLTs, DSLAMs, or wireless access points. It reads a radius database on the network and enforces subscriber policies. And it provides a quality of service control to assure priority and time-sensitive traffic gets the attention it needs in events of congestion. The netElastic Virtual BNG runs on a hypervisor on a white box server or network appliance and delivers performance forwarding of up to 360 gigabits per second over 1, 10, 25, or 40 gig ports. It provides endpoint termination of layer 2 tunnels such as PPPoE, IPoE, or VXLAN. It provides authentication, authorization, and accounting services so a user can log onto the network, work at agreed upon speeds, and the ISP can monitor aggregate usage to keep up with their SLAs. And it provides hierarchical QoS traffic management. You can configure and manage all of your BNGs through a standardized tailf command line interface, through netconf API calls, or through a robust and feature-rich virtualized GUI. It's an alternative to proprietary routers, such as the Cisco ASR 1000, Juniper MX 480, or even the Alcatel 7750. There are several key advantages to the netElastic vBNG. The first is performance. The vBNG can forward at up to 360 gigabits per second per server. You can achieve terabits of backplane capacity in a scale-out cluster. The control on data planes scale independently, allowing you to assign power to either as required, and scale up the hardware when you need to without having to rip and replace, like most proprietary BNGs. And because it runs on x86 servers, the cost to deploy a vBNG is about 30% of the cost of a proprietary BNG. netElastic licenses the vBNG perpetually, so there are no annual charges beyond support. And because of the powerful configuration and management tools provided and availability of spare parts, OpEx and downtime are significantly reduced. This is a quick comparison to a traditional router, one of the more popular ones in a service provider environment. You'll see that the netElastic vBNG delivers performance that exceeds that of the larger router, delivers a larger number of subscribers as a virtualized solution. It can scale out by scaling up CPU cores. It provides CGNAT, includes it for free. It takes up far less space, uses less power, and it costs a lot less money. The vBNG white paper that you see on the right, you can click to hyperlink into that white paper and see the performance specifications proven out in real-world testing. The netElastic vBNG delivers all the benefits of virtualization, including flexibility, as in the faster provisioning of resources, agility, ability to move workloads around the network, scalability, you can add resources as needed. It drives down CapEx because it leverages x86 economies, and it drives down OpEx. One way that a service provider can leverage the vBNG is by executing a distributed edge strategy. While BNGs have typically been deployed centrally, virtualization allows you to deploy required services on an abstracted hardware infrastructure, delivering an agile and flexible network, but allowing you to move some of the IP services closer to the user. By moving the BNG functions to the edge, you gain some powerful advantages such as better performance, lower latency, reduced traffic in the metro ring, local content caching, isolated fault domains, a smaller attack surface, and more. All of these serve to provide a better subscriber experience at lower costs. So in summary, netElastic delivers performance comparable to traditional ASIC-based routers with all the flexibility, scalability, and agility that virtualization affords, as well as all the cost benefits. Thank you for your time. Please reach out and discuss deploying virtualized BNGs in your network. Thank you.